Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for a way to make your first $1,000 online? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 incredible methods that can turn your online dreams into reality. Get ready to unlock the secret to financial freedom from the comfort of your home. Imagine waking up to notifications of money rolling into your bank account, all thanks to your online hustle. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone seeking financial independence, this video is about to change the game for you, because I'm about to share the ultimate roadmap to your first $1,000 online. Making your first $1,000 online may seem daunting, but with the right strategies and determination, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 proven methods that can help you get started on your online income journey. Let's begin our journey to earning your first $1,000 online with freelancing. It's a fantastic way to leverage your skills and earn money. You can identify your expertise or passion and connect with clients worldwide on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Freelancing allows you to work on projects you love while gaining valuable experience and building a portfolio. Now let's move on to method number 2, which is selling products or services. Once you've established your freelancing career, you can expand your online income streams by selling products or services. Creating your own online store or utilizing platforms like Etsy and Shopify allows you to showcase and sell your unique creations. You have the freedom to explore your creative side and turn your passion into profits. Now that you have your store set up, let's explore method number 3, which is affiliate marketing. As your online presence grows, you can venture into the world of affiliate marketing by promoting products or services related to your niche through your website, blog, or social media platforms. You can earn a commission for each sale generated through your unique referral link. Affiliate marketing enables you to monetize your influence and recommendations while expanding your network of partnerships. A good affiliate marketing platform is Writall.ai. You can check it out in the link in the description. Method 4 takes us into the realm of digital products and courses. Now that you have a solid online presence, it's time to leverage your expertise and create digital products online or even online courses. Whether it's an ebook, a comprehensive course, or valuable templates, these digital offerings provide a scalable income stream. You can reach a broader audience, share your knowledge, and earn passive income while you sleep. Now let's shift our focus to method number 5, which is blogging and ad revenue. Blogging is a powerful tool to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. By consistently creating high-quality content, engaging with your readers, and optimizing your blog for search engines, you can attract a loyal audience. As your traffic grows, you can monetize your blog through display advertising networks and sponsored content, turning your passion for writing into a profitable venture. We've covered 5 methods so far, but we are just getting started. Method number 6 takes us to the world of video content creation. As the popularity of video content continues to soar, starting a YouTube channel becomes an enticing option. You can share your expertise, entertain your audience, and build a community around your channel. By consistently creating valuable and engaging videos, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Let's move on to method number 7, which is online coaching or consulting. As your knowledge and experience grows, you can offer your expertise as an online coach or consultant. Helping others achieve their goals and solve their problems can be highly fulfilling. By defining your niche, marketing your services, and delivering exceptional value to your clients, you can generate significant income while making a positive impact to the rest of the world. Method 8 introduces us to the world of dropshipping. If you're interested in e-commerce but don't want to deal with the inventory management and shipping logistics, dropshipping is a fantastic option. You can set up an online store and partner with reliable suppliers who handle product storage and delivery. By focusing on marketing, customer service, and building a strong brand, you can earn profits without the overhead cost of traditional retail. Method number 9 provides an opportunity for some extra cash through online surveys and user testing. If you have some spare time and want to make extra money, participating in online surveys or user testing can be a simple and convenient option. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and by sharing your opinions and insights, you can earn rewards or cash. While individual surveys may not provide substantial income, combining multiple platforms and dedicating consistent time can help you reach your $1,000 goal. Finally, let's take a look at method number 10, which is social media management. Social media has become an integral part of business marketing strategies. If you have a flair of social media, offering your services as a social media manager can be a lucrative venture. You can help businesses create engaging content, manage their accounts, and implement effective social media strategies. By showcasing your expertise, delivering impressive results, and building long-term client relationships, you can earn significant income in the digital marketing realm. So there you have it, 10 fantastic methods to make your first $1,000 online. Remember, building an online income takes time and effort. It is essential to stay consistent, continuously learn, and adapt your strategies along the way. Celebrate small wins and keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.